Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to check your Shopify store traffic. Monitoring your traffic helps you understand how many visitors your store is getting and where they're coming from. So let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. To do so, just go to your web browser, then enter shopify.com in the search bar. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. After that, in the left sidebar, click on Analytics. Now under Analytics, click Dashboard to see an overview of your store's performance. As you can see, there are graphs representing total sales, online store sessions, online store conversion, and other informations about your accounts, your Shopify account, your website account, and store. Now, once you're on in the dashboard, scroll down to the online store section. This shows the number of visitors to your store. You can filter the data by time, such as day, today, last week, or last month. Below the sessions, you can see additional metrics like traffic sources, top referrers, and device used by visitors. See it right here. To dive deeper, click on Reports in the Analytics section. Just go to Analytics and click on Reports. Look for the reports on sessions over time or referrer traffic to see exactly where your visitors are coming from. See sessions over time here or sessions by referrer. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Shopify store traffic. This insight can help you track growth and adjust your marketing strategies. If you like this video and found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment and below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.